Just cleaned the O2J. About to start taking this thing apart. Getting the LSD situated in here. Yesterday I had to modify this one. Let's see. I had to modify it because it kept hitting the back side of this right here. So it wouldn't see right, so I was like, fuck it. It's too lean mine, nigga. I'm fucking cutting this shit. So it should look like it don't even look like, I mean, for the most part it looked like factory, like it's supposed to be like that. So I made it look good. I got all the parts at, zip tying, just so I make sure I put it back together the right way. So now I have to crack the casing. I already got all the bolts out. I'm gonna have to double check, make sure, but pretty sure I got all the bolts out. But now it's time to crack the case open and then get the ring gear, and then hopefully we have the parts today from Eurotuning. That way I can press on the new bearings and speedo gear. Press that onto the LSD Wavetrac diff, and then yeah, swap that ring gear that's in there onto that. Yeah, that was super easy. Hold up, that breaker bar. Yeah. My fault, but yeah, pretty much put this flat head right here, tapped it in with the hammer. And it popped right open. I thought it was gonna be a little harder than that, but I only had to go in one area, and once the seal cracked, I just popped it out. So now we gotta take the whole gearing off here, and then pop this diff out. But don't look too bad. I think he said it had 120 on it, so it don't look too bad, but we're gonna clean the casing up, obviously, and go from there. But everything should be able to pop right out now. Oops. Let me not fuck with that right now, because I gotta make sure I assemble everything back together the right way. Diff out. Head on the vise, just trying to knock these shits out. Hammer over here.
Use my chisel.
Where's yours at?
That should be right on top of my.
I'm not recording this. So ring gear's loose. It's about that time. We're almost there, boys. We're almost there. Should have all the parts for the new bolts for this. We also should have bearings with it because we're gonna replace that. We're gonna be using it. Yeah, we're almost there, bro.